Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Tamay Zahirin. Today I will explain about inventory management. Inventory management is the process of controlling, organizing and monitoring stock to ensure that the right products are available at the right time and in the correct quantity. In the automotive industry, inventory include vehicles, spare parts and accessories. Effective inventory management helps improve operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Poor inventory control can cause stock shortage, service delays, and excessive shortage costs. To manage inventory efficiency, companies use systems such as SAP and the ERP system and EPC, which provide accurate real-time inventory management.
Next, I will discuss the inventory management technique used in organization. The first technique is ABC analysis, which classifies inventory into categories A, B, and C based on value and importance. For example, expensive engine components are classified as category A items, while frequently used accessories may fall under category C. The second technique is just in time. This method ensures that inventory is ordered only when needed, helping to reduce storage costs and avoid excess stock. Another technique is first in, first out, and last in, first out. FIFO means the older stock is used or sold first, making it suitable for items such as lubricants and batteries. The final technique is economic order quantity. EOQ helps determine the optimal order quantity to minimize both ordering and holding costs. Now I will introduce the organization. Ban Liheng Motor Melaka Seram Berhad is an authorized Honda dealer and service provider in Malaysia. The company began in 1946 as a small bicycle shop in Seremban, Negeri Sembilan. It later became the exclusive distributor of Honda motorcycles in 1960 and Honda automobile in 1976. In 2014, the company expanded to Malacca and established its operation in Ayuguru. Today, Ban Liheng operates a modern 3S facility, which includes sales, service, and spare part. The company also provides body and paint services, offering customer complete automotive solution. The vision of Ban Liheng Motor is to remain a leader in the automotive retail and after-sales service industry, while maintaining customer trust and loyalty. The mission of the company is to continuously improve its service, invest in modern facilities, and develop skilled employees to meet customer expectations. The company's core value include integrity, quality, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement. Regarding inventory management, the company focused on efficiency, accuracy, and reliability. Ban Liheng aims to maintain accurate and up-to-date inventory record through the SAP system. The company also works to minimize error in handling spare parts and accessories while ensuring sufficient stock is available to meet customer demand. By applying techniques such as just-in-time, the company can reduce holding costs and avoid unnecessary stock accumulation. Finally, I will explain the company's product portfolio. Ban Liheng Motor offers a variety of Honda vehicle models, including sedans and SUV. The company also supplies genuine Honda spare parts and automotive accessories. In addition, customers can access after-sales service such as vehicle maintenance, repair services, and body and paint services. The wide range of products and services allow Ban Liheng Motor to operate as one-stop automotive center and provide complete automotive solution to its customer.
In this section, we will look at our research methodology, which is broken down into three main parts. First, objective. Second, scope and limitation. First, objective. Our goal is to analyze inventory management at Honda Ban Liheng. We want to see how SAP and EPC system compare to their all manual method and find way to solve challenges like stock loss. Next, scope. The scope is strictly limited to spare part and accessory, and we focus on SAP and EPC and JIT system, especially looking at the roles of the part controller and service manager. And third, limitation of the study. Our main limitation were time contracts, confidential company data, and the fact that we only collected data from one interview respondent. Next, the technique we use to collect our data. First, primary data. We interviewed a Honda employee and found that they use SAP for stock tracker, EPC for ordering spare part, and a JIT system for monthly update based on demand. Second, secondary data. We also use academic paper and online references to support our research on inventory management theory and JIT concept. And third, method of collecting data. Using structured interview, we learned that the monitor stock view SAP and Google Drive when facing slow moving or demand stock. They manage it through promotion or dealer transfer.
This slide presents the finding from the interview conducted with Honda Bentley Heng regarding their inventory management practices. For the first question, Honda Bentley Heng used SAP and EPC system to improve inventory accuracy and tracking. They also applied just-in-time practices to reduce excess stock and inventory costs. The inventory process is supervised by the part controller and service manager to ensure proper control. For the second question, inventory records are updated monthly in SAP. The part controller is responsible for managing stock updates and replenishment, while the service manager reviews and approves inventory decisions to maintain accountability and accuracy. So, in conclusion, the company combined technology, JIT practices, and clear management responsibilities to maintain efficient inventory control. This slide
Benefit of current inventory management. Based on our finding, Honda Bentley has achieved improvement after implementing the current inventory management system compared to the previous manual method. Inventory record a more accurate and information system can be accessed much faster. The use of item code, the NC number also makes stock tracking more efficient. In addition, the G approach help reduce overstocking and storage costs. This system also improve accountability because each employee has clearly defined responsibility in managing inventory. Next question is challenges in inventory management. Despite the improvement, Honda Bentley still face inventory management challenges. One of the main issue is slow moving inventory, where certain items remain storage for a long period. There is also a risk of inventory loss and excess stock. To address this issue, the company distribute inventory to other dealers and promote excess item to increase sale. Furthermore, inventory is close monitored by the part controller, supported by better warehouse control, produce and staff accountability. These measures help reduce wastage and improve inventory turnover. So the conclusion is the current inventory management approach at Honda Bentley has significantly improved operational efficiency and stock control. Although some challenges still exist, the company has implemented effective strategy to ensure inventory is managed efficiently and support overall business performance. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, Honda Bentley Malacca plays an important role in the distribution chain for Honda Malaysia, where it manages the pre-delivery inspection and the delivery process of their products. This company has been able to successfully apply the principle of the just-in-time strategy when it comes to inventory of highly valued auto parts and vehicles. Are we representing three
key recommendations. First is strategic safety stock for high turnover parts. While the lean philosophy of just-in-time management is excellent for eliminating waste, the reality of local marketplace variation requires a buffer. By keeping a careful safety margin for high turnover service parts, the Malacca branch can prevent service interruption caused by sudden region demands spike or unexpected disruption in the international logistic network. Next is advanced data forecasting for regional demands. Instead of relying on born country-wide average, we need to analyze local sales history deeply. This will allow management for forecasting specific demand spike in Malacca driven by regional festivities or promotional campaigns. We can even predict specific popular car models and color preference by local customer, making the parts ordering process significantly more accurate. Finally, to ensure these strategies work seamlessly, we must introduce an automated inventory tracking system. By implementing up-to-date technology like RFID or barcode, we can automate the entire inventory tracking process. This eliminated high human errors rates which currently lead to inaccurate data and phantom inventory. With this system, every single car company receive or move within the warehouse will be digitally tracked in real time, giving us total visibility.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Daili Btms Nazri and my metric number is B0625105661. So I would like to present about rationale of the project in Honda called H2H, which is Honda to Honda. Currently, Honda facing quite concerned challenges like growth of EV car that aggressively dominating the automotive industry. So how can Honda stay relevant in this industry and keep being chosen by the car users? Also, how to retain the existing Honda customer. To address these challenges, Honda introduced Honda to Honda loyalty bridges. This program actually is a bridges to keep their Honda's customer. Firstly, Honda make it seamless for their customer to trade in their old Honda car to a brand new model. Secondly, Honda offer a user a premium buyback value so they get highly competitive deal for their old vehicle. Lastly, Honda specifically encouraging and easing their upgrades to advanced e-HEV hybrid model. So, why is this project so crucial and what is the rationale behind this? Look at the timing. In 2026, our e-HEV hybrid carry a powerful 10-year battery warranty, making it the perfect worry-free selling point to convince the customer to substitute to a hybrid technology. From a business strategy perspective, we all know that it is far cheaper to retain an existing customer than to constantly spend Honda's money trying to acquire a new one. And by taking care of Honda's current user, Honda are ultimately protecting their brand equity and securing their long-term market share.